But Tom, you mentioned something not long ago. You said you could go to either a CPA or a tax attorney. How do I know which one I should choose?
The level of service, specifically, a certified public accountant will help you prepare the individual tax return, and so will a tax attorney. The tax attorney is a degreed individual with a Juris Doctorate degree, a LLM, and they will help you in estate planning, wills, trust, setting up trust inside the testamentary, your will. So they offer a higher level of service than a CPA would offer with regards to legal actions that you can take in order to protect assets that you've accumulated over your lifetime.
I'd like to weigh in on that. A tax attorney, it seems to me, is somebody generally you're going to need if you're in litigation, if you're going to the court. They can step into the courtroom and represent you in a courtroom. A CPA can't. On the other hand, CPA is not going to, in general, in my opinion, charge you as much per hour simply to know exactly or what to do in preparing your taxes, whether it's complicated taxes or individual taxes that are not so complicated. Disclosure, Tom South has been my CPA for years, and that's why I invited him. I know that he's very knowledgeable, and I'm happy to state that on the record, full disclosure. But any CPA who prepares taxes is going to be far better able to assist you in prepare your taxes, unless you happen to be a CPA that does taxes. So a CPA or a tax attorney is going to be far better to assist you, but call and make an appointment. On that note, Tom, I don't want to put you on the spot, but you ought to be able to speak for the industry. In general, what does it cost to see a CPA and ask for help with simple taxes, the basic simple taxes for personal taxes, or more complicated taxes if you have businesses and other things you need to declare income from, or if you're self-employed, et cetera?
And that's a very good question. And the issue is the type of tax return we prepare. 1040 Easy or 1040A are the very low levels of service that a CPA firm would offer to their individual tax clients, and that fee would range anywhere from $75 up to $100 for those two.
Minimum fees,
Minimum
and it can go up depending on whether or not you bring in 4 banker boxes full of receipts that are in jumbles and
well, the Easy and
the
the A are usually not the banker box type clients. As we get to the regular 1040, where you may have that issue with regards to a lot of receipts, the actual fee will go up on a 1040, and whether you're itemized, it's a different fee. And if you have a Schedule C, which is a self-employed individual, it goes up more. And if you also have rental properties, so the fee is based on the level of service that's provided to the individual.
Based on the hours of work performed, basically, or is it a per?
It's a per return based on the actual number of forms that we prepare.